everyone. This is Lori Spensieri here, your self-appointed positivity princess. I have a YouTube channel called The Lori Show, and I'm here spreading positivity and helping others to live their best lives. Join me on my journey to riches. I will be using so many tips and tricks that I've collected on my way to preparing for my journey. If you're intrigued by anything that you have heard or seen, please click that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe. You don't want to miss it when I have my massive breakthrough. This video will represent day 79 to 85 of my path to riches. I wanted to talk about something that I feel is very important, the emotions. I used to find myself in this emotional trap. I felt almost as though my emotions had power over me. And the truth is, they did. The reason is because I let them. We always have the choice when it comes to our emotions and our feelings. When something bad or undesirable happens, we have the right to feel upset. The emotion of sadness or anger, disgust, it's natural and it's a reaction to stimulus or a situation. The key here to having a good life is feeling our emotions, validating them, and then deciding to move forward from them. See the video right here by Master Sri Akarshna that shows you a really easy 5-step system to use when you're experiencing negative emotions. It is important for your predominant emotions to be positive, happy, joyful, and passionate. Your ego is shouting at you now. I don't want you to be fake. I don't want you to pretend to be happy. Well, you're not pretending. You are making the conscious decision and intention to feel good right meow. Right meow. Good emotions and bad emotions cannot occupy the same space at the same time. When you feel something negative, stop and replace it with gratitude. Okay, why do I want you to be happy and positive? Why is this so important? Here are 10 reasons or benefits to feeling happier today. Number 1, it allows you to raise your vibration. This allows the law of attraction to work in your favor much more efficiently. Number 2, it allows you to live in the moment. Reason number 3, being happy and positive allows you to feel and become healthier. Number 4, it allows you to look and feel younger. Number 5, it allows you to foster better relationships with others. Number 6, it allows you to find greater levels of success professionally. It does. 7, it allows you to receive more inspiration and ideas from the universe and the collective consciousness. Number 8, being happy and positive allows you to see life as more magical. You will see more of what you didn't see before, like synchronicity, beauty of nature, and the feelings of true happiness. Number 9, everything is better when you can manifest happiness. Like literally everything is better. Food tastes better. Happiness, even positive emotions feel more positive. Number 10, it allows you to attract even more happiness into your life. My next video in my Path to Riches series will be for days 86 to 92. Stay tuned. I really am going to have a huge breakthrough. I'm actually having one as we speak, and I'll explain that later. Now, did you know I have a Facebook group dedicated to positivity and happiness? It's not huge, but the members are one of a kind. They really are. I love you guys. As always, I'm doing 3 shout outs of members of my group. I want to give a big, giant virtual hug to Aaron Diesel Schroeder, Aislinn O'Leary, give that baby a hug too, and Akshay Patil. You're making the world more positive, one meme, gif, post, or comment at a time. Remember guys, we got this. I'll be doing 3 more shout outs in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm grateful to every single one of you. I really am. And without you, remember, I'm really just talking to myself. Have a wonderful day and hey, be positive. Love you guys.